Hey guys, this is a quick video. So I thought to show you how the Android 12 beta version looks. Just now I have updated my phone. So let me show you the notification bar so you can see how the material design has been changed. So they are referring this as a material U version, and you can see the build version number, and the Android version as yes. And so some few bugs are there. You can see. So my Wi-Fi symbol is not shown properly. So let me go to the settings. Yeah, so this is the main difference. If you see till now, what I can see on the beta version is the design change. So the material design change. So I guess if I change my wallpaper, so my mobile theme will get changed, I guess. We will check it. Yes, so based on my theme, mobile wallpaper, the theme is getting changed. Okay, so I will tell you how to install the beta version. So go to your Chrome, search for sorry, Android beta program, and you can see the title as Android beta program Google. Okay, so if you are not logged in, it will ask you to log in with your Gmail ID, and eligible mobiles will be shown in the list, and just you want to click on opt in. So already opt in, so it's showing me as an opt out. So yeah, in case if your smartphone, if your mobile, your Android device is eligible for this update, it will show you your mobile model will be displayed here. Just you want to go and click on this opt-in and go to the settings, and as usual, so how you will do the system update, just go and check for the system update, and if update is available, you can download and install it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.